Okay, I will make this quick for you. To host a Chrome Remote Desktop Tech Support screen sharing session, just open Chrome, Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Then click on it. And make sure you're getting the extension and not, I think there's an app as well which is not supported anymore. So make sure it says extension just to double check. Let's do this. Chrome Remote Desktop extension, just to be sure. Okay, so that might be the only one nowadays. Add to Chrome, add extension, and it adds a little icon up here. So then click on it. And then go to remote support, generate code right here, and then just copy this code. You can get it by clicking there, or you can just copy it, right click, copy, and give it to me. Now, if you wanted to give me support or whatever, all you'd have to do is get the code from somebody else, go to the remote access section. No, these are your local computers you can do here, so ignore that. Remote support, and if you wanted to give support, you could give support, get the code that somebody gives you, and type it right here. So hopefully this helps.